And right now, new at noon, cocaine cargo on display at Port Everglades. The Coast Guard just a short time ago offloaded cocaine seized at sea with an estimated value in the hundreds of millions of dollars. CBS 4's Carrie Codd is there live for us with the big haul by the Coast Guard. Carrie.
That's right. We're talking about 16 tons of cocaine over several different interdictions from 4 different Coast Guard ships and a ship from the Royal Canadian Navy. Now take a look. The Coast Guard cutter James was involved in those interdictions as well. The captain spoke about the technological advances of the ship, the weapons at their disposal, but he said it's the crew members who work in dark and dangerous conditions that make these efforts successful. The U.S. Coast Guard shared this video of drug smugglers in the Eastern Pacific from earlier this month. They were caught with cocaine, we're told. Those drugs ended up here on board the Coast Guard cutter James at Port Everglades on Tuesday, part of 17 different drug interdictions from several ships over the past few weeks.
With this ship, we're capable of owning the night.
Captain Mark Fedor says stopping the flow of cocaine from South America, where the coca crop is thriving, is important for many reasons.
They're just not carrying cocaine. They're delivering violence, corruption, and instability to a part of the world, the Western Hemisphere, that just can't absorb it.
Fedor says the James has the weapons to stop the go-fast boats that tried to bring these drugs to U.S. shores, drugs that would sell for more than $1 billion. Specifically, the Coast Guard has go-fast boats of their own and a helicopter squadron that rules the air. Captain Kevin Gavin says they average about 12 interdictions a month.
As I like to say, unfortunately, business is very good for us, and I wish it wasn't.
Fedor says most of the missions to gather these drugs did not involve violence, but on occasion they have to fire warning shots to shoot or disable a boat's engine. And in the dark of night with bad weather or rough conditions, he said his talented crew is focused on the safety of our streets and fulfilling the mission at hand.
They're the ones who willingly put themselves in harm's way to execute these missions in the middle of the night. They bring this ship to life, they animate it, they give it personality. So they're the heroes in this story.
We're told that more than 30 drug smugglers were also arrested during these interdictions and sent to various jurisdictions in the U.S. to be prosecuted. Now, the crew obviously very excited about these interdictions, the drugs they were able to take off the streets. We're also told they're happy for another reason. They get some time off at their home port of Charleston, South Carolina. Live at Port Everglades, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News.